But remember what we said. All parts have a positive intention.
Left blind spot check, and in we go. Solid green, so I'm going to enter the intersection. Yellow light, complete stop. I did check my mirror, I knew somebody was back there.
So although this part may have seemed to be causing you trouble,
see, in this case I could stop. If I was going a little bit faster, like coming in too hot and the light turned yellow like that, I would have had to keep going.
there's a very good reason why it was doing what it was doing.
Little shot of gas. My foot's back over the brake. Steer tires just past the crosswalk. My back tires are still inside the crosswalk. That guy's too far ahead, or too far. Oh, yellow light, and he's slowing down. So I just look for a change in speed. If it looks like they're slowing down, their foot's on the brake, not the gas. Signal. That guy's far enough away. 3-point turn, so signal, mirror, right blind spot check. Putting the 2 right tires right in the gravel here. Signal left, mirror, left blind spot check. So I turn my wheel really fast, right? And then drop into the gravel, right, all the way to the right, in reverse, signal, look around. Looks good, little shot of gas, back over the brake. Wheels all the way to the left. So in that case, there, what I'm doing is when I'm steering, when I'm turning the wheels, I'm keeping the car in motion a little bit to avoid dry steering. Don't worry about that for the road test, though. You just you can turn your wheels while the car is motionless. It's fine. But for the future, if ever you do any 3-point turns, try to keep the car in motion so you don't grind the rubber of your tires into the ground, right? You preserve the life of your tires that way a little bit. Complete stop here before the line. And I can edge out here just inch by inch. Very slowly, because I don't want to go out too far, accidentally. That's about as far as I want to go. I've turned my wheels a little bit. That guy's a bit too close for my liking. I don't want to go out there because I'm at 0. He's at maybe 60. Looks good. Right blind spot check. And then on the gas.
Maybe that it was trying to protect you by stopping you from driving, for example. Now isn't that a wonderful thing? There's this part of your mind that wants to keep you alive.